Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Maybe you hear a little bit of my voice that I have a cold. It starts to get like kind of this wintry feeling here in New York, and the weather is like kind of gray and like, I don't know, I just feel everyone is like a little bit cozying up and like being sick at home. I just put like a little bit of makeup on to make myself look alive for today. I do have to say, there is one really fun thing for me about fall and winter, because it gets cold again and I can cozy myself up again in like warm sweaters. And I normally store these like all like underneath my bed. I will show you guys. Ta-da! I should do that again, by the way. I put them in these vacuum bags because there's literally no space in my closets, and I just put everything, I just put like all my winter clothes back in here, and I'm like super excited about it because I love sweater weather. Anyway, in today's video, I kind of wanted to share a little bit more about fashion, because I realized I haven't done a lot on the channel, and this has been like requested a lot when I asked you guys what you would like to see. Recently, I also do a lot of secondhand shopping, and there are two reasons. Because first of all, it is good for the environment. You're reusing secondhand clothes, and obviously it's so much cheaper. So I got here a box from the Thread Up, and I ordered a couple of pieces from them, and I'm super excited about. And it's kind of amazing because they sell like all kind of brands, from Zara, American Eagle to like Free People, literally everything. And you can get up to like 90% of the retail price, which is a crazy discount. So I got like this pants from Madewell, and then I got this sweater. This sweater was literally $9, so it used to be $20 and now $9, so it's like a super good deal. And this one I was actually really excited about. It's from Alice & Morgan. It's like a blue silk. This I really love when you go like out for dinner or something. And then I got this really cool Zara dress. This was also like $25. Super cute. And I also got a little bag. I really love these kind of things. This one is from Gap. So yeah, I recently just like really like to do secondhand shopping, and also because sometimes when you, or I used to have that when I went to do like Zara or something, when I bought something, I felt like my whole school had the same piece. And very often when you get like vintage stuff, you actually get stuff which nobody walks around with in the same time. So Thread Up is like the largest online thrift shop, and they actually have like an app. I will show you guys how that works. So if I go to their app, here it is. They have so many selections, and for example, if I want like dresses, you can do like filters for style, or you can do price range, or you can do brands, and it's just literally like unlimited. And here you can like see the retail price and then the discount price, how much for how much you're gonna get in. So if you want to check it out and kind of get the same good deals that I got, then you can go to Thread Up, and you can use discount code ThinkTwice for 30% off of your first order. And you can also like return stuff if it like doesn't fit, and you can like ship it back to them very easy. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on, and I'm gonna show you guys how I style these pieces. Look number one. The first piece I got from Thread Up is this white sweater from Forever 21. The estimated original price was $20, and I got it for only $8.99. I think it's such a classic piece for the winter and really easy to style with a pair of jeans. The sweater has beautiful woven details. I love to wear a camel coat on top of this. I think this is great for any year and any season. Look number 2. This is a pleated dress from Zara. It's super cool and I like to down dress it with some cool biker boots. The material is quite thick, so it's easy to wear as a dress in fall and winter if you layer it. You can put a cool comfy sweater on top and a cute bag. I got this for only $24.99 while the estimated retail price was $46. Then look number 3. This is one of my favorite pieces for the winter, an oversized blazer. I got this on ThredUp for only $15.99 while the estimated original price was $45. I love to wear oversized blazers over a turtleneck and a pair of jeans. I think it gives such a cool vibe and it's great for any occasion. I always used to wear black blazers, but I tried to get some light pieces as well for this winter. This has such a vintage look, but very classy. Then look number 4. Some people don't think you can wear white jeans in the winter, but I actually do. I got this from the brand Madewell on ThredUp for only $26.99. The estimated original price was $130, so that was a big saving. I combined this with a statement belt and a camel sweater. The jeans have super cute buttons on the front and on the bottom little ruffles. The pants really feel like new. This was an amazing vintage find. I am obsessed with silk shirts. If you have a dinner or if you want to dress up a little bit more in the fall, I think silk tops look so chic. This is from Alison Morgan and I got it for only $19.99 on ThredUp instead $54. I combined it with black leather pants and some black pumps. The top is so comfortable and yet chic. I want to try to find these actually in different colors. That's how much I love them. Now look number 6. You can even find amazing vintage accessories on the app. I find this cute little bag for only $19.99 from Gap, while the estimated retail price was $37. The little baguette bags are a big trend right now, and honestly, I find it so practical and easy to use. This one I can combine with any kind of look with a sweater or more dressy while wearing a blazer. I feel we're in the middle of like fall season, and how I kind of style every season my wardrobe is to always make sure I have a couple of basic statement pieces. So these statement pieces for me change every time, and I wanted to share as well which statement pieces I think you should have in your closet this fall. Number 1 is a brown jeans. You don't see them a lot, but I think these are perfect for the fall. Lately I have been wearing lighter colors and I think it's really beautiful with a white sweater, colorful sweater or beige tints. Then number 2, my must-have is a sweater knit dress. I love to wear a sweater knit dress in combination with some high boots. It is so easy to put on because you don't really have to think about an outfit much. So when you wake up early in the morning, you just put a dress on and you're done. Again, this is in the color brown, almost dark purple and perfect for the fall. Then number 3, my must-have is a camel sweater. I think everyone needs this in their closet, especially for the fall and winter. I really like caramel colors and I think it's great to combine with blue jeans because of the contrast. This one is very thick and warm and great to wear on top of a white shirt or just as a comfy sweater. Then number 4, one of my must-haves this winter is white boots. White boots really finish up the look, especially in the winter. I think it looks so cool on a pair of jeans or underneath a skirt. White shoes really pop and it is easy color because it matches literally everything. They look quite high, but they're actually super comfortable. I've been wearing them already a lot. Then, last but not least, I think what everyone needs is a leather skirt. It's a must-have for every season. I combine this with a cute white turtleneck or just a sweater. Because it is for fall, I wear either high boots or little ankle boots underneath. Short skirts make your legs look longer, so that's a little styling trick as well. So guys, this is how I style my second-hand pieces together with like new, and I think it's always so fun to do that. And I feel you can be like really creative with these kind of like fall looks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fall outfit video. I know I don't do fashion that often, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that more often. And also, if you're gonna go to the ThredUp website or their app, you get 30% off your first order with the code THINKTWICE. So I would highly recommend it. Take a look. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bottom here, and I will see you guys. Ooh, I really hurt myself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.